In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Once your project is on screen, go to the specific page where you want the recorded audio to appear. This is important because your voice recording will be attached to the page you have selected, so taking a second to confirm the right page now can save you time later. Next, move over to the left-hand panel. Find the Add Content area, hover over it, and then choose Media. This will open the media options you need for working with audio inside your project. When the Media panel appears, click on the Music tab. Even though you're recording your own voice and not adding a song, this is where Adobe Express places the voice recording tools. Once you're in the Music tab, look for the Record VoiceOver button and click it. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. If that happens, go ahead and allow access. Without microphone permission, Adobe Express won't be able to capture your voice, so this step is essential. After that, look at the left panel again. You'll have the option to choose a microphone using the first drop-down menu, which is helpful if you have more than one microphone connected. You may also see an option to enhance speech. If you want cleaner, more polished voice audio, you can turn that on before you begin recording. Once everything is set, click Start Recording. Adobe Express will give you a 3-second countdown, which gives you a moment to prepare before the recording begins. When the countdown ends, start speaking clearly into your microphone. Try to record in a quiet space for the best result, and speak at a steady pace so your audio is easier to understand. When you're finished, click Finish Recording. Your voiceover will be added to the project, and from there you can make a few quick adjustments. In the left panel, you can change the volume of the recorded audio or add fade effects. These controls are useful if you want the sound to come in more smoothly or match the rest of your project more naturally. If you want to access the recording later for editing or just to see where it sits in your project, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Edit Timeline. There you'll be able to see the audio track and manage it more easily. And that's how to record your voice in Adobe Express.